The keto diet, short for ketogenic diet, has gained immense popularity in recent years, often praised for its potential health benefits. At its core, the keto diet is centered around drastically reducing your carbohydrate intake while increasing your consumption of fats. This shift puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis, where it becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy instead of relying on carbohydrates. This fundamental change can lead to various health improvements, making it a diet worth exploring. One of the most notable benefits of the keto diet is weight loss. By limiting carbohydrates, your body starts to use stored fat as its primary source of energy, naturally leading to fat loss. Additionally, this diet can help reduce hunger levels, making it easier to consume fewer calories without feeling deprived. Many people report that they no longer experience frequent hunger pangs, which can be a game changer when it comes to maintaining a healthy eating pattern. Another key advantage of the keto diet is its potential impact on brain health. Research suggests that the ketones produced during ketosis may offer neuroprotective benefits. Some studies have indicated that the diet could help manage conditions like epilepsy, and there's ongoing research into its effects on cognitive disorders, including Alzheimer's disease. By fueling the brain with a different type of energy, the keto diet may enhance mental clarity and focus for some individuals. Additionally, the keto diet may contribute to better blood sugar control for those with type 2 diabetes. By lowering carbohydrate intake, the diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing the need for insulin and leading to improved overall metabolic health. For many people, this means fewer spikes in blood sugar and a more balanced energy level throughout the day, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Despite its potential benefits, it's important to approach the keto diet carefully. Before making any significant dietary changes, consider consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have existing health conditions. The keto diet might not be suitable for everyone, and understanding the specifics, like the importance of vegetable intake and nutrient balance, can help you reap the most benefits while minimizing adverse effects. Remember, each individual's body responds differently to dietary changes, so finding what works best for you is key.